Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add an admin user in WordPress on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to add an administrator user on, click on WP Admin. This way, you will automatically redirected to or logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Users and click on Add User. Here, fill in the administrator or the admin username that you want. For example, admin user. Fill in the email address for this new admin user. Here, fill in your password. For example, let's go with an easy password. If your password is weak, you should click on confirm use of weak password. Now here, make sure to select administrator instead of a subscriber or any other role. After selecting the administrator, click on add user. This email address is already registered, so I will go and let's pick another user email address. Let's go with this email address, password, administrator, and hit add user. And as you see now, this is my original. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And as you see now, this is my original administrator user. As you see, it has the role of the role of the administrator, and this is the admin user I've just added. And this is, and if you want to, before I wrap this video, if you want to delete an administrator, if you want to delete an admin user in WordPress, simply click on delete below its name. Here you can't delete an admin username, or you can't delete a user that you are logged into. So if you need to log in your own admin user, you should log out, then log in using another username in order to delete your own username. That's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.